Tight Shirt Terry Warfield, everybody already did their iPad Air 5 unboxing. Okay. What's up, y'all? Tight Shirt Terry Warfield. Today we're gonna take a break from the camera content. We're gonna unbox the new iPad Air 5. So let's go ahead and get right into it. It's always exciting unboxing new stuff, I'm telling you. Get that out of here. All right, here's the box right here. Y'all know how Apple boxes are. Hold on. Come on. Oh my God. All right. Finally got it open. All right. I don't know why Apple's boxes need to be so freaking difficult to open, but let's go ahead and pull this bad boy out. There we go. Let's check out what's in the box. Get that junk out of here. Typical charger, typical cable. Yeah. All of that boring stuff. We got the goodness right here. Now this is the space gray one, the best color. Get that out of here. Okay, now while this boots up, I just gotta say real quick, obviously the space gray is the best color. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I picked the space gray. Let me know what color that you prefer, what you thinking about down in the comments. Ooh, look how that is. Let me get the iPhone 13 Pro also in space gray. Look how saucy that combo is. This is, I should probably clean this off. Where's my cleaning cloth at? I don't even have a cleaning cloth down here. This is all bad. I didn't prepare for this video at all. But anyways, look at this combo together. Like, it just looks so good. Let's get this back out the picture. iPad Air 5. I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up real quick and clean this mess up. I'll be right back. So, what can you expect from this iPad Air 5? You know we're gonna be doing some content, so make sure you subscribe. This is a short video today. I just wanted to unbox it because I'm excited about it. But you know, I'll be making some more videos, so make sure y'all stay tuned. So without further ado, I'll talk to y'all later. Piece of chicken grease, Terry Warfield. I'm out. Peace.